It's a light, it's an extendable wand, and it's even magnetic and flexible. It's the Bell & Howell iScope, the amazing extendable all-purpose tool that's more than just a flashlight. Its 3 white LEDs emit a powerful natural light that's as bright as daylight to give you over 100,000 hours of brilliant, reliable light. But that's not all. The iScope instantly extends from 6 inches to over 2 feet, and with its magnetic head, you'll easily reach and remove cans from high shelves. Now you can locate and recover items from under the couch with ease, and finding dropped screws while working outside has never been easier. It's so powerful it can even lift up to 2.5 pounds. Incredible! But there's more. Its flexible head lets you adjust the light so you can easily see and pick up those hard-to-find staples from the floor. You can even use it as an extended hook to retrieve things from hard-to-reach places. And look, its rear-mounted magnet lets you instantly attach it to any metal surface to thoroughly light up your work area. It's like having an extra pair of hands. Drop a tool while working on your engine? No problem. The iScope's brilliant light and long extension lets you find and retrieve it in no time at all. Picking up pins and needles by hand is tedious and it can be painful. But with the iScope, you'll recover all those pins and needles in a flash. No pain, no strain. You can even use it to recover items that fall down the drain. Its slender profile makes it easy to carry, so it's always there when you need it, while its rugged aircraft-grade aluminum construction makes it virtually indestructible.